Cool Air Products was started back in 2018, and we manufacture and market very unique products for the air conditioning industry. One of the things that's needed when you actually are manufacturing a product or producing a product and not a service is the need for capital up front for various things: engineering, design, prototypes. The traditional bank, they're always difficult as a small company starting out, but the Howard County loan was very favorable with terms, low interest rates. It was very seamless in getting the process done. Without having a loan starting out, it would have done one of two things. One, it would have delayed the process of growing the company. Or two, I would have to find more investors, and more investors means less ownership for all and more oversight by individual investors. If I'm ever in a position to require more capital, Howard County Economic Development Authority would be the first place that I go to. Whether you're small business starting out or a larger business trying to grow, there's many options. There's help finding office space, facilities, where to build, all kinds of different resources to help your business.